Hey guys, what's up? It's Meg here from AVO. Today we are installing a Powerbrake big brake kit on a Toyota 4Runner. Follow me and let's go check it out. Come on. Alright guys, so I'm here at the 4Runner and Mihao just wrapped up installing the Powerbrake big brake kit. A lot of customers ask us, why should we upgrade our brakes? And we always tell them, if you're adding all this extra weight to your vehicle, whether it's bumpers or canopies or campers, you should definitely consider this upgrade because it not only improves your stopping power, but it also improves the drivability of your vehicle, whether you're on the road or off the road. Alright guys, so let's take a closer look at the brakes. The 6-piston calipers are precision machined using high-grade aerospace aluminum billet. You can choose between red anodized or dark gray hard anodized. The slotted pattern on the rotors helps to remove sand, mud, and water while also minimizing noise, vibration, and harshness during braking. The rotors feature curved directional cooling vanes, enhancing efficiency by maximizing the surface area and airflow. The Powerbrake kits also feature stainless steel braided brake lines, which can handle far higher temperatures than the rubber ones. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please click that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions about anything Powerbrake, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@ashevillevehicleoutfitters.com, or you can call us at 844-667-3687. Be sure to reach out guys, because we keep these Powerbrake kits in stock here at AVO. Bye guys!